Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie from the Appomattox Regional Library System, coming to you with our latest take-home craft, a handprint gnome. For this craft, you'll need glue, scissors, a pencil, and crayons. Start by taking all your supplies out of your bag and getting your child to trace their hand on one of the sheets of paper. Once they've traced their hand, cut it out, or if they're old enough, get them to cut out the handprint. And after you've cut out the handprint, it's time for the hat. You can do a simple triangle, or you can do what I did and just draw kind of a sloppy triangle. Once you've done that, cut out your circle templates and get your child to color the smallest one for the nose. You can color the big one if you like, or you can leave it white. Once they've colored the nose, glue it down on the center of the bottom of the palm. And then glue your hat overlapping halfway. Next, add your decorations on your hat. You can use the provided templates, or you can color on your hat. I chose to do both. This craft can be picked up at any of our locations until we run out. Have a great day.